Hi my loves, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing an old-fashioned styling video. I'm not going to do any fancy editing. I'm going to talk you through the outfits. I thought I would set up the tripod and do it properly rather than showing you the outfits in the mirror, just so we're not wobbling all about the shop. But if you see mess in this room, I apologise. I do my best, but there is a lot of stuff up here. But yes, I wanted to style up a few outfits wearing some new in bits from FARFETCH. You all know I've been working with FARFETCH a bit over the last few months and I'm just loving them. Whenever I'm looking for a link to something for you or similar items, I almost always find it in stock on FARFETCH, just because of the sheer breadth of the stock that they get from boutiques around the world. And yeah, I've got some new in bits to show you today, so I thought I would show you them through the medium of outfits, particularly because the last day or couple of days have been a little bit chillier. It's been quite a mild few weeks, but it's just beginning to tip over the edge into that proper autumn winter weather. So I thought I would try and pick good outfits for this time of year when it's just so tricky to get dressed. At least I'm finding it tricky. And I've got some beautiful pieces to show you. Before we get started, I do have a 10% off code for you all. There's T's and C's in the description box, but it is Sunbeams YT10. I'll write it on screen, it will be in the description box, and you can get 10% off your FARFETCH order. So without further ado, my friends, let's get into the outfits. So I know the lighting in here is not ideal, for which I apologise. Sadly, my big studio lights are tucked away in storage at the moment because we just don't have room for them, so you have to bear with me. It is at least sunny outside, so hopefully it won't be too bad. But first up, first piece to show you from FARFETCH is this incredible coat. I am obsessed with it. It's from Isabel Marant Etoile. It comes in a few different colours. I think this one might currently be sold out, but things do tend to come back in stock on FARFETCH, so keep an eye on it. But there are other very beautiful colours in stock as well. It's just like my dream kind of coat. None of you will be surprised if you know me looking at this coat, because it's like in a nice tealy colour, it's very oversized, it's got like a gorgeous shape to it, and we've got these nice checks. I am obsessed with checked anything. I suppose it's a sort of similar colour-ish to the Acne jacket that I have, but it's nice to have like a long coat version, and I have styled it up with more colours. Now obviously you could wear this coat over a white t-shirt and jeans. I don't think we'll get through this video without me doing a white t-shirt and blue jeans outfit. I thought I would style it up with some colours just so you can see how it would work with those as well. So we've got these nice lime House of Sunny pants. I love these. I love the kind of teal and lime combination. And then I've got this purple jumper from ARKET, which I have worn to death. I got it last year, possibly around this time of year. But yeah, I love all these colours. They're sort of a similar depth of colour, if you know what I mean. I suppose the lime is a little bit lighter and brighter, but I think they work because they're a similar saturation. So the contrast works really nicely. And then I've also got on my Air Force ones, the ones which have, it's these ones which have, they're kind of like a cream upper, and they've actually got a bit of lime green on them, so they work nicely with these trousers. I like these trousers with trainers. I find them difficult to wear with other shoes without looking a little bit clunky, so I like them with trainers. But yes, that is outfit number one. I don't know about you guys, but if you've been following me for a very long time, I used to talk through my outfits like this, and it's giving me serious throwback vibes. But anyway, let's go on to outfit number two. Okay, my loves, outfit number two now. And this one I wanted to play up a little bit of a pattern clash. So I've got this Reformation cardi on underneath, which is nice and baggy, and I've done it up so you can see it underneath the coat, because sometimes when you're layering you can get layers lost. And these outfits with the coat are for a little bit cooler weather, I suppose, but if things get too hot you can obviously undo it, tie it around your waist, and you've got like a layer to play with basically. And I also in this outfit wanted to sort of wear a little bit of black because I feel like you could look at a coat like this because it's got kind of creamy or white elements to it and think, oh, I'm not sure about wearing black with a white and a colour, but I think it really works. I've got these just suit trousers. These are old Sonia Rykiel ones that my mum gave me, and then I'm wearing my Prada loafers with some little kind of purple socks for another little playful touch, but you can wear white socks. And yeah, I just like the pattern clash. I think the yellow goes really nicely with the teal. It's sort of the same family of colours. So yes, that is outfit number 2. So outfit number 3 with this coat is the one I don't even think about. This is the kind of thing if I'm rushing out the door, but I want to look nice. I want to feel comfortable. I want to be confident in my outfit. This is the outfit I chuck on. You've seen me wear a variation of this so many times, but I thought I would show you anyway, just because it's likely how I will be wearing this coat a lot. And that's just a white tee and jeans. You could wear basically any shoes with this. I've put on my Docs, my white Docs. You could wear black boots, you could wear trainers, whatever you fancy. But yes, this coat is not super thick, so it will make a really nice transitional piece when worn like this, because then we're just working with one layer basically. You could wear a long sleeve top underneath if you fancied, just for a little bit extra on the arms. These jeans are from RAEY. I wear them all the time. You've seen them countless times. Tee is from Reformation. So yes, big fan of this coat, and I'm sure you'll see me in it so much this winter that you'll be sick of seeing me in it. Next new in piece from FARFETCH is this incredible jacket shirt from Bode. I got this from the men's section. I don't know why, but I stopped looking at the men's stuff a while ago, and I used to buy from the men's all the time. But it is made out of like recycled towels, just sort of got all sorts of like cartoonish things on it. I think each jacket will be different. The one that's pictured on the website is more primarily red, but yes, I'm obsessed with this. I think this is going to be a love or hate thing. You are either going to love it or you're going to hate it. For me, I think it's super cool. I've paired it with this green t-shirt. Obviously you could wear white, you could wear black, keep it really simple, but I like the green. I feel like it kind of grounds the look a little bit, because obviously the jacket is quite out there. Then I've got on my blue mom jeans from Levi's, and I've got my stars and bees loafers from Gucci on, because I think they sort of play up the playfulness of this outfit. And finally I'm wearing my new hat from Depop, which I showed you guys on a vlog the other day, and I love it. You could obviously go without hat as well, keep the look a bit more simple. Yes, I'm obsessed with this. It's the kind of thing I'm going to throw on over all sorts of things. Again, I think it's kind of versatile despite being quite like a kind of conversation piece type. I can't remember where I said it recently. I think it was in my last vlog, but statement coats and jackets, things you throw on top of simple outfits, that's like basically my whole entire style, because I just love them. And I actually feel like you do get a lot of wear out of all your pieces that way, because outfits always feel kind of fresh and dynamic when you're wearing something fun, and you get a lot of wear out of your basics underneath. I also think this is the kind of thing which would look great over a bikini if you're planning any winter breaks. Yeah, I think it will serve me in all seasons, but it is good for this time of year. You could also easily put a coat on top of this because it's quite a thin layer, it's not too chunky. So next outfit, this one's for that slightly warmer weather. I'm wearing a dress. I'm wearing this gorgeous dress which I didn't get a chance to wear this year because it's not really breastfeeding appropriate, but I wear it so much every year because I love it. And this is just to show you that you can get away with doing like a pattern with this jacket, even though it's kind of got a lot going on. I think it works. I think it's really fun. and I've got a t-shirt on underneath the dress for a bit of extra warmth, a bit of layering going on. You could put some like sheer tights on as well, and yeah, I just think it works to throw on top of outfits like this just to get them that little bit warmer. Okay my loves, my final piece to show you is this pair of jeans. It's a pair of washed black jeans from Frame. I love them. They're a really nice staple. They have a really nice sort of barrel shape to them, don't know if you can see. And obviously black jeans can be worn so many ways, and I will not be able to show you them all. But one thing I do really love doing with washed black sort of items is putting them together. I just really love the effect of it, I don't know why. So I'm just popping on this sort of duvet jacket from Free People, which is so cozy and comfy, and I've put that on with this pair of kind of pointy pumps. Obviously you could wear trainers again, you could wear boots, you could really do whatever, but I like the kind of surprise element of the flats. I think it brings out something smart-ish about the coat, whether it's the shape of it or the collar. It sort of makes the whole look a bit smarter. And what's nice about this jacket is that it's a little bit short, so you're getting all that coziness, but it's not gonna be super warm for this weather. Okay guys, final outfit I'm gonna do for you. Just wearing these jeans again, this time with this knitted vest which I got from Depop. You could wear this with a shirt underneath as well. I've got my white tee on again, and then I've got my Doc Martens Sinclair's on, and because it sort of bunches the jeans up, you get a bit of an exaggeration of that balloon effect on, or barrel effect on the leg, which I think is really nice. But yeah, I love all these kind of colours together. I just think it looks really nice and tonal. That's what I really like about washed black on jeans. I think it just softens looks a little bit. Obviously if you're wearing it with a shirt underneath, something long sleeved, you could probably get away with wearing it on its own if it's a little bit warmer outside, but if not, you can pop a coat on top. It really lends itself to a black coat as well, but I also quite like this olive number that I wear all the time. You've seen me in it so many times. It's a vintage piece, like a riding coat. I just love it so much, but yes, I think olive also looks really nice tied in with the rest of these colours. So that is it my loves. Hope you enjoyed this video and just seeing some outfits. It's nice to put outfits together. So hope you enjoyed. Don't forget about my code, which will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.